How do you find the least common multiple, or LCM, of two or more numbers? For example, how do you find the least common multiple of 12 and 15? In this lesson, you will learn how to find the least common multiple of two or more numbers by creating and comparing a list of multiples for each. A multiple is a product of two factors. 5 times 9 equals 45. 45 is a product of 5 times 9. So therefore, 45 is a multiple of both 9 and 5. Multiples are the result of skip counting. Multiples of 5, for example, are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. A common misunderstanding when looking for multiples is to confuse multiples with factors. For instance, if I want to find the multiples of 25, I certainly don't want to list the factors. I don't want to get caught in that mistake. I want to make sure that I skip count by 25 instead. So how do you find the least common multiple, or LCM, of 12 and 15? We're going to create a list of multiples for each of these numbers. Here are the multiples, or the first 5 multiples, of 12. I want to be able to list those multiples in order from smallest to largest, and so the set of the first 5 multiples of 12 is 12, 24, 36, 48, and 60. Now I want to do the same thing for the number 15. Let's create a list of multiples for 15. These are the first 5 multiples of 15. So the set of the first 5 multiples of 15 is 15, 30, 45, 60, and 75. Now, what I need to do is to compare both of these sets of multiples. And I'm looking for the first number that they both have in common. Do you see it? Here it is. 60 happens to be the least common multiple of 12 and 15.